Hi guys, so for this video I decided to show you guys the new look that I'm trying to do for my bike. I decided to take the mirrors off, and as you guys know the signals are in the mirror, so I had to buy new ones. I went on Repzilla and got the new race cycles signals, turn signals. This is how they come. They bring the plates, the signals, and I don't know if you guys can see it, zip ties, and this little thing that we're gonna be using on the installation. So let's start. So this little tube, plastic tube, we're gonna insert it here first, and we're gonna use it at the end to make sure that when we tape this 4 cable, it's gonna be over it. Green and black. The green one goes with the red.
Kapag sila kinasiempre, naging po. Tinal sa mirror dito.
It doesn't have to be perfect, but as long as both are there secure together, it should be fine. And black goes with black. So as you guys can see, I did the first one already. This is the second one. We're gonna just keep using this electric tape. Let's see how it goes. So we got it looking like this. It looks pretty nice. So we got both of them. Now we gotta put it on the bike, see how it works. So the signal goes right here. Right here. We gotta get this cable to go through a little crevice right here, all the way to the other side. Something that I want to mention, if you guys can come this way, this panel right here, this has to be taken out first. Once you get the cable all the way around, this right here, you just, as you can see, but there's a right here, just insert it right there. Oh yeah, there we go. Now let's see if it works. Haha! Nice. This tape, there's tape right here. And really careful. Nice. Okay. And how it should look. So one more time, I just did the other side. As you guys can see, flush right here, the tape is there, it's not moving. The cable goes inside right here, all the way around. The panel has to be taken out, and this is where the cable is gonna be connected, right here. So that's pretty much it. Let's see how both of them are working right now. Right side, left side. Right side, left side. So as I mentioned to you guys, I'm changing the style of my bike. We don't have the mirrors anymore. We don't have the stickers on the side anymore. And we got this awesome pads grip. I think they look great. The bike looks more serious now. It's from OneDesign. Let me know what you guys think on the comments of the new look of the bike. And before we finish, I want to thank you guys for watching my videos, liking them, commenting. Please, if you're not subscribed, subscribe to my videos so the channel can keep growing. Thank you all. Take care.